Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So in our current game, if we will launch one instance, so you can see our AI is moving, but as soon as he is getting close, he's not doing anything, right? And our health is like 100%. So we have to rectify that. So what we will do in its behavior tree, we will add the attack functionality today. So let's do that. Core, character, AI, and this is our brain. So this is our behavior tree. So after move to the target actor, we know this is the branch where we have found the actor. Like AI sees us and now he is trying to kill us. So after move to, we will play one animation. To play animation, it is already defined task, and in this we will define one animation to play. Just type attack, zombie attack, and just click save. After zombie attack, we will add one task which will perform the attack action, or we can say it will apply the damage to the character. So we will check if the animation is played well. After that, we will check the distance of our character with this zombie. If the distance is less than 150 or 200, then we will apply the damage. You got my point? So this is our today's target. I will recommend you to do that on your own. You can follow this BT task which we created for the random location. It just we have to check if the distance is less than 200. If yes, then we will apply the damage. Okay, I hope you have tried. I will. So what we can do, add Unreal class, and the class parent will be BT task blackboard base, because I'm not sure if I need any variable. If not, actually we can just take the parent of BTT task. Give me a second, let me check who's the parent of this BT task node. We can just have BT task node, simple. So BT task node. So this is the generic one. Previously we had taken the BT task blackboard base, because in this blackboard it will give you one key, so which you can select in the behavior tree. If you see here in this blackboard base, we have this blackboard key because we do want to select it. But here we just want to attack the player, nothing else. I don't want to touch any of the key here, so that is why we are choosing this BT task node. We will name it as attack player. Attack player. Press OK. I hope everything is good. Awesome. From this, I will just copy this function execute task, because this will be executed. Alt enter. So this function, okay, alt enter, generate definition. Yep. So this function will be performed, and we have to return some result, either true or false. Okay. So we will check if the owner component dot get pawn or get behavior tree. So this is the behavior tree component. So at owner get AI owner, and this get AI, actually get AI owner. If we will go to the definition of this one, it is okay. This will give you the AI dot get actor location. So this will give you the location of actor. Okay, I think. Okay, so this is the AI controller. It will give you the AI controller. So we will get the pawn first. Set pawn. So it will give you the controlled pawn, and then we will get the distance. So this is the distance of player. f vector AI pawn location. Next we do want to get the location of our main player, so f vector player location equals to have we defined the gameplay statics? Okay, we haven't defined for player, so just control D, get player character, and instead I don't think I need some casting here. Get player character, so gp char alt enter dot get actor location. Perfect. So this is our AI location, this is our player location. Okay, perfect. Okay, instead of AI owner, if we will do owner, it will give me a second, because it will give you the actor. Okay, perfect. So this will give you the AI, so this will also give you the actor location. So this is the shorter version, so we will use that. And now we need to calculate the distance between these two vectors. So what we will do, you is math library distance. So here we need distance. We can calculate vector 2D distance. So here the vector one is AI pawn location comma player location. Perfect. Okay, so if this location is less than 200, so 200 is units is like you are close enough, in that attack range. If yes, then we will apply the damage to the GP character. So how we will do that? So apply damage. Okay, so the definition of apply damage is inside you gameplay statics. So you gameplay statics apply damage, and here we have to provide the damaged actor who's getting the damage. In our case it is our main character, so GP character comma the base damage. So I want to provide this damage like 25. We can also tweak that. So actually we can also define, you know uh, maybe we can expose this variable. So we will define public u property, so property, it will remain the same, like it will take the same flag for the normal variable which we use. So edit anywhere and damage value, by default we are keeping it to 25 damage value, and it will be an int float. So damage value, so instead of 25 we will use damage value comma so who is applying the damage? In our case it is owner com dot AI controller get AI owner. It will give you the controller, and here it is asking who is the causer, the actor. In our case it is owner com dot get owner comma okay, I do want to apply the default damage type, so you damage type static class. Okay, so here we are applying the damage. I will just put one debug button here, and we will check if in our character we do have the damage receive function or not. So our main player is like m player, if I'm not wrong, m character base CP. Yes, we do have the on damage receive. So we will check if it is getting receive some damage, it is receiving some damage or not. So let's compile the code here. Okay, we have received an error because we are not returning any value while defining the execute task. So as soon as we have apply some damage, or even if we are not applying the damage, we will return true ebt node result succeeded, because for us it is not compulsory like we will apply the damage. Okay, I think this is perfect. Compile again. Perfect. Okay, let's compile our game. I'm picking my torch, picked my gun. Let me head back to my AI. He sees us, he's attacking. Okay, but the damage is not working. Oh, okay. I we do know why, because we haven't added this here. So amp attack player, save. Let's try that again. Picking my torch, picking my gun. Okay, attacking. Perfect. I think it is working. We okay. I think we were not close enough, were we? Okay, maybe we can also expose this value, the distance value, damage minimum distance to attack. Previously it was 200, right? So we'll apply for 100 and we'll just copy paste it. Sorry, we'll copy paste it. Okay, we even I think this is perfect if this distance is less than. Okay, let's compile that again. Perfect. Let's try that again. Without torch I can't find that AI. Where is that? Okay, come on. Okay, let me check if we do have no. Okay, I'm just quite uh I'm just thinking if we are getting some valid location here. While I'm hovering mouse here, I'm not getting anything. So maybe we need to define variable and we will store that value, the distance one. Then we can check. Okay, I got the issue. Actually, in get owner, it is returning the actor, but in this case, it is returning the AI controller. So it will be a issue. So we will use AI owner and get pawn. So it will do the task. The only difference is like here, it is already casted. It is already casted to the AI controller, so we can directly use this. So close it. We will compile that again. Okay, perfect. Let's try and check if it is working or not. Here he comes. He's applying the damage. At the top you can see our health is going down and we are done. So like we are no more. Okay, so I think this gives you a hint how we can add that attack feature. It was very generic and it was a very small tutorial just you to understand how we can implement the attack feature. So this was it for today. Do like, do subscribe. If you have some question, do comment it below. I will try my best to sort it out as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you and do subscribe. Thank you.